friends, in this video I am going to talk about a brand which is about to enter into the Indian market. It is a French car maker and the name is quite itself is very confusing. Some call it as a Citroën, some call it as a Citroën. So as it's a French brand, the actual pronunciation is Citroën. So in this video I will be going with the French pronunciation, and in the whole video I will be representing as a Citroën. And the product we are coming with is a Citroën C5 Aircross SUV, and the expecting price is around 28 lakhs to the 30 lakhs. So if you go with the price bracket, the current product or the current lot of product with whom it is going to compete is like, if you see the king of MP with the Toyota Innova, which is pricing the top end ZX variant goes around 30 lakhs on road, to the other brand like Hyundai Tucson is also comes with the same price bracket. And we have another product like Skoda Karo, and also we have a product which is from the Jeep Renegade 4x4. So these are the product with whom this car is going to compete with it. And if you have seen the car, this logo has a unique story. It goes back to the year 1990, and the founder is André Citroën. He has designed a helical gearbox, and it was quite successful during that time. And because of that, whenever he has started his own automobile manufacturing brand. So that logo has been inspired from the V-shaped helical gearbox. You can see this logo. So that is the history of this Citroën's logo. And if you see going to the dimension of this car, so the length goes around 4500 millimeter, width is 2099 millimeter, height is 1710 millimeter, and the wheelbase is 2750 millimeter. As also the turning radius goes around 5.35 meter. And I will talk about the few USPs of this Citroën C5 Aircross feature one by one. So I will be starting with its heart of the vehicle, which is engine. It is coming with a one engine option, that is a diesel. It is a 2 liter. In cc it is 1977 and gives a power around 177 PS, and the torque is around 400 Newton meter. And it's coming with a 2 variant option, that is Feel and Shine. And coming to the exterior color option, there are 7 color options. 4 are for the monotone and the 3 are is for the dual tone option. So based on your preference, you can choose the color. So when you see the car from the front, as it's a French brand, French people are known for its style, elegant, and the fashion people. So you can see the car also has a lot of gimmicks, or you can say the styling quotient. You can start from the LED projector headlamps with the LED DRLs to the rear. You can see the just above the fog lamp. So it looks quite stylish and unique, and also you can see it's very elegant. When you see the car from this side, it comes with 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheel, and when you get inside the car, it comes with an 8-inch infotainment system with the facility of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And the infotainment system comes with 3 modes. So based on your preference, you can choose it. One is the personal mode, dual mode, and also the minimum mode. So we'll get into this mode once we get the car. So that time only you can explain what this mode basically works. And then it comes with a TFT MIT screen, which is 12.3 digital instrument cluster. So it is not analog. So all the information is digital, and at the tip of it, you get all the information related to the car at one go. Then it also comes with a function of stop start function. It also provides a park assist, which is automatic. What it means that steering, braking, and acceleration all will be controlled automatically. Then you have a hand-free tailgate. So once you wipe at the rear of the boot, it will open the gate. Then it comes inside for the climate. It comes with a dual zone automatic climate control. Citroën has been known for its utmost comfort it is providing to its customer for over 100 years. They come with a uniquely designed suspension setup that they call as a progressive hydraulic cushion type of suspension. And in the front, it comes with a MacPherson independent front suspension with a dual path. Along with the rear, it comes with a torsional beam. So that suspension or the spring traveling has been tuned in such a way. So even if you see in the ad also, it goes to on any road, it will not transmit inside the cabin. So it means it's providing an utmost comfort to its customers. Then it also comes with a cruise control with a setting and also with a memory function. So which means that you don't need to press once you set and save it. So once you press the number 1 or the 2, automatically it will preset into the setting what you have saved in the preset form. So it's very convenient feature. Then it comes with the drive mode of eco and sports. If you want a fuel efficiency, drive it in eco mode, basically in the city drive. And once you hit the highway, you can go into the sports mode to have a more fun to drive experience. And also it comes with a multi-terrain option. There in Citroen they termed as a grip control, and it is coming with an option of mud, damp, grass, sand, and even you can also off the traction control off. And there is also a function that is called blind spot information. So which is a very what we can say is a very good feature, especially in the Indian condition where anybody can come from anywhere. So that time it is very what you can say is a boom for the person who is driving the car. Then it comes with as for the safety package, it comes with 6 airbags. For the braking system, it is ABS with EBD, electronic stability program, hill descent, hill assist, and also it comes with a coffee brake alert. So basically, if you have driven the car for almost 2 hours continuously at a speed of 65 km, there is a gentle reminder will be there for the driver that you can take a coffee break. And it also comes with a 4 disc. So these are the functions or the features of the Citroen C5 Aircross. Once we get the vehicle, I will have a proper walk around of it. Till then friends, I hope this information is quite informative to you, and thank you once again. Be safe. Jai Hind.